Alright, so an update from the last video. I am going to remove the pink count and I'm just going to focus on the purple count for now. So purple goes 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where 4 ends, and then we are working for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside for the final fifth wave. So I am going with the analysis that this here was a triangle in wave 4, so wave 4 bottomed at this point. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what that is, but a triangle has to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. That's the Elliott wave triangle structure. So with this, we can see a 3 wave move down here, as I always said. Then we have a 3 here, some sort of 3 here, then 1 here, and 1 here. So it's a bit of a wonky triangle. It's not the best looking triangle, but it follows the guidelines perfectly. We have the A, B, and C. Then we also have this ABC that I called out back then, took a trade from here to here. Where I would say my analysis failed is at the point where I counted this as a 5 wave move down, and if you remember, I also saw this 3 wave move, and I placed a sell around here to somewhere around here. I was saying that price was too choppy, so I bailed out of that sell trade. So the only way to make this triangle fit is if this ends up being a W, an X in a triangle, and then a Y. So it's 3 here, X here, and then another 3 here. So I'm going to, sorry about that. So I'm going to delete this and then just going to leave it as an ABC. Then we have another ABC here, and this is where the triangle ends, that with E, the red box. So into possible entries at that point, I definitely missed the opportunity, but I also remember being able to spot this leading diagonal at the time, and I was a bit apprehensive towards it because I couldn't see a clear a clear move, because I'd already taken this as a 5 wave move, so I couldn't see a way in which it would reverse and begin a 1-2 from this point. But in hindsight now, I guess it would have been better to take that. So there's a 1-2 here, and if you zoom out, let me just go to 4 hourly. So from the 4 hourly, it can be taken as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1, as you can see in green and white. So I have two counts because there are two possible scenarios I'm tracking. I prefer the green one, and you'll see why soon. So we have a wave 2 in a triangle, and then there were other possible entries here which I missed as well at the time. So this is a 1, 2, and then from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that then makes this a 1, 2, 3. In this scenario, I'm using the light blue count. So with the light blue count, this being 1, 2, 3, I'm then counting this as a 4. And the reason I count that as a 4 is because this is 3, 3, and then a clear 5 wave move here. I could also take the purple. If I take that purple, then that would mean that this is where wave 3 ends, and I don't like the look of that. So it's going to be a very short wave 3. So it's a 1, 2, 3, and then a 4, and then one in the last final fifth wave. But I'm going with the green one, so I'm anticipating more upside. So waiting for this blue wave 5 to come to completion, and in that there's also another 5 wave move. So I have a 1, a 2, taking this as a 3, so I'm expecting a wave 4, then a wave 5, and then that would complete the sky blue 5. And then after that, so once the sky blue wave 5 is complete, we then expect a major wave 4 pullback. That's the green wave 4, this one over here. Expect a major wave 4 pullback, and then hopefully there will be another opportunity to place a buy trade again, and then move more to the upside. So all in all, in the meantime, I'm just going to be watching out for some sort of retracement to the downside. From what I can see on the micro time frames, I can see a 1 2 3 4 5. Not sure what this is forming up to be. Maybe just an A, B, and a C, and then we'll have another 5 a move down. Or it could be A, B, C, D, E. Still too early to call for it. I don't like calling for triangles while it's too early. Or it could even be, could it be a 1 2 3 4 5? Then we'll have a 3, and then maybe a 5 wave move that doesn't break the 50. Anything could happen at this point. Maybe it's a zigzag, maybe it's a flat, maybe it's a triangle. So at this point in time, I'm going to be watching this very closely. I really don't want to miss out on any more trades. I'd like to make some money off of this as well. So I'm just going to keep watching, wait to see what's going to happen. And yeah, that's it for now.